Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As NFP coming later today, we can see significant trading opportunity on gold. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that gold is a long-term bearish market. We have seen with this long week candle on the monthly time frame. From this zone, we have seen there was a massive drop on gold. Previous months, we have seen that the market has formed a long bearish candle with a full body red that has a huge volume in this market. Now, as a result, we have seen that this month, once the market opened, initially the price started to drop. Currently, the price is approaching another monthly support level. And as NFP coming up, what I think that gold may continue to drop to break this monthly support. As there is an imbalance in that zone, we could see that the price finally coming down to fill that imbalance. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see as well from the weekly perspective, gold is bearish with this weekly doji. The price has broken out of this long term weekly channel. This is the weekly channel bearish price action, and from that zone we saw that gold had a strong breakdown with this long week doji. The price triggered liquidity from this resistance, and the price had a strong breakdown. This current week as well, we saw that there was no significant pullback in that zone. There is a strong rejection towards the downside as the price is approaching this liquidity zone, which is the 1810 to 1800 level. We could see that during the NFP, gold is coming down and breaking this low or even creating a new lower low. Now, at the same time, we see that the price didn't test this weekly resistance line, and we could see that during the news announcement, any kind of spike could take gold to the resistance zone before dropping further. Now, looking at the daily time frame, we can see that from the daily perspective, there was a massive drop on gold. With this huge drop, the price has come to this support level from the monthly perspective. Now here we see that gold creating still series of lower high from the daily perspective. Now still maintaining this series of lower high. As news coming up, we might see a spike or a pullback to gather liquidity to reach this important level, which we are expecting from the monthly and weekly to be retested. This is the weekly resistance line. And if we take out also Fibonacci from the daily perspective to see where is the minimum Fibonacci level, starting of this move up to the end of the move, we see that gold nearly approaching this 38.2% Fibonacci level along with this resistance zone on the weekly. What I think that we might see initial pullback during the news, and we could see that the price tested this zone or even breaking the high, testing this 38.2% Fibonacci level and coming down towards its long-term downtrending direction. As this is a very strongly bearish market, we will be looking to sell only from an important area of value. So if we look at the 1 hour chart to see where gold is heading, we can see that in this 1 hour time frame also gold is maintaining this smooth resistance line after this long-term consolidation. And we saw that the price is respecting here as resistance here, and also resistance here. And currently the price is, as you can see, it's also maintaining series of higher low on the lower time frame, which is a sign of potential upside momentum on the lower time frame for this pullback. And what I think that during the news we might see that gold is breaking this resistance line. As it is a long-term bearish market, we will be waiting for this swing high to be broken before we maintaining any kind of trading opportunity. So along this zone, upon breaking of this resistance line, either in that zone or in this area, based on the price action confirmation after the news release, we will consider going short on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.